Children growing up now have far more access to screens than ever before. From television and video games to phones, laptops and tablets. Screens are almost impossible to avoid in day-to-day life. The term screen time refers to time spent with a screen, such as watching TV, playing a video game or scrolling on a phone. Here are 7 takeaway points from recent research to help you make the most out of screen time with young children. Age matters. Research consistently shows no benefit of screen time for children under the age of 18 months. Shows and apps that are fast-paced and noisy can be too much for little brains that are not yet able to process lots of information at once. Video chatting with a family member is viewed as an exception to this and is a positive form of screen time, as it involves interaction with another person. The current HSE guidelines recommend short occasional screen time for children between 18 months and 2 years, and up to an average of 1 hour daily screen time for children aged 2 to 5. Content matters. Slow-paced educational content with real-life characters can have benefits for children aged 2 and up. This impact is strongest when watched with an adult, and when there is chat and interaction. Controlled amounts of this type of content can help language skills, creativity, social skills, and problem solving. The amount matters. Increased use of screen time impacts physical health, language development, sleep, behaviour, attention, school performance, and eye health. Children who have more than 2 hours of daily screen time are 5 times more likely to display behavioural difficulties, 6 times more likely to have difficulties with attention, and 6 times more likely to have difficulties with language and communication than children that watch less than 30 minutes of screen time per day. Each extra hour of daily screen time causes a 13% increase in the risk of childhood obesity. These facts show the importance of balancing screen time with movement, outdoor play, and creative, hands-on activities. Background screens have an impact. Lots of background TV impacts talking, attention, and social skills of children younger than 5. It reduces the amount and quality of play and chat, as adults can also be distracted. As children get older, having to compete with phones and screens for adult attention can result in the feeling that they are not important. Play is powerful. Research shows that screen-free chat and play with caring, interested adults has the strongest impact on children's talking, understanding, and vocabulary development. Screen-free night times are best for everybody. Evening screen time has a significant effect on sleep for children under the age of 5. Replacing screen time with books, puzzles, play, or gentle movement in the hour before bedtime can significantly impact sleep quality and duration. Having daily screen-free times, such as meal times and the hour before bed, can create other chances for chat and fun. Children watch how adults use screens. Showing healthy screen time habits can impact their habits. When with children, we can model healthy screen habits such as avoiding background TV, being conscious of how much we look at our phone, and turning off screens when not in use. Talk about when you need a break from screens to model the idea of balancing screen time with other activities.
I really enjoyed that show too, but I've had enough screen time for today, so I'm going to go outside for a walk.
We hope you enjoy making the most of screen time with young children. It can be useful to watch this video more than once to help you become familiar with these strategies. Check out some of the other videos on this playlist for more helpful ideas and support. If you have any questions or need any more information, you can contact your local speech and language therapy team.